Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Teacher.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Today's topic is 200 daily English questions and answers.
These are real English sentences you can use every day, at home, in school, or at work.
So get ready, practice with us, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
Let's start with some easy ones. Your daily routine. What time do you wake up, Alex?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that's early. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. How about you?
I make my bed first, then have some water.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually toast and coffee. And you?
I like parathas and tea.
What do you say to your family in the morning?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
What time do you leave for work?
Around 9 a.m.
Great. Viewers, repeat after us. What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 9 a.m.
If you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss daily lessons. How do you go to work, Alex?
I take the bus. How do you go?
I usually walk if it's not too hot.
What do you say if you're late?
I'm on my way or I'll be there soon.
What if your friend is late?
I ask, where are you? Or are you coming soon?
How do you ask someone to wait politely?
Please wait a moment or give me a second.
And what if you're stuck in traffic?
I'm stuck in traffic or I'll reach in 10 minutes.
Great. Everyone watching, repeat after us. I'm on my way.
I'm stuck in traffic.
Perfect. These are simple, natural, and used every single day.
Mia, how do you ask for help at work?
Could you help me with this or can you explain that again?
What if you agree with someone's idea? That's a great idea, or I totally agree with you.
How do you politely disagree?
I see your point, but I think, or I'm not sure about that.
What if you didn't understand something?
Sorry, I didn't get that, or could you please repeat?
How do you talk about finishing your work?
I'm almost done, or I've completed the task.
Great. Repeat after us. I'm almost done. Could you repeat that, please?
Viewers, what do you say when you finish your work?
Comment your sentence below.
And before we continue, make sure you subscribe and like this video if you're learning something new.
How do you order food in English?
Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
How do you ask for the menu?
Could I see the menu, please?
What if you don't like something?
Sorry, this isn't what I ordered. Or, can I change my order?
And if the food is good,
This is delicious. Or, it tastes great.
what if you've eaten enough?
I'm full, thank you.
Perfect. Let's practice. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? This is delicious.
Mia, how do you ask the price of something?
How much is this?
What if it's expensive?
That's too expensive. Or can I get a discount?
How do you decide to buy it?
I'll take this one.
How do you pay politely?
Can I pay by card or here's the cash?
What do you say when you give extra money?
Keep the change. Great. Everyone repeat after us. How much is this? Can I pay by card? Alex, how do you show happiness?
I'm so happy today. Or, that's amazing.
How do you show sadness?
I'm not feeling well. Or, I'm feeling low.
What about surprise?
Really? No way. Are you serious?
How do you compliment someone?
You did a great job. Or, you look fantastic today.
How do you comfort someone?
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Viewers, your task, comments 1 compliments in English below. How do you start a phone call?
Hello, this is Alex speaking.
How do you ask if someone is available?
Is Mia there? Or can I speak to Mia, please?
How do you say you'll call back?
I'll call you later. Or can I call you back?
How do you end a call politely?
Talk to you soon. Or have a nice day.
Repeat after us. Can I call you back? Talk to you soon. Okay, Alex, what's the first thing you say when you wake up?
I usually say good morning. What about you?
I say, 5 more minutes, please.
That's a common one. Here's some morning phrases for everyone. 1. Good morning. 2. I just woke up. 3. It's too early. 4. I need some coffee. 5. Did you sleep well? 6. I had a weird dream. 7. What's for breakfast? 8. Let's get ready. 9. I'm running late. 10. Have a nice day.
Let's make it interactive. Alex, what do you say when you leave home?
I say, see you later.
Perfect. Everyone repeat. See you later.
Okay, Mia, imagine you're going to college or work. What phrases do you use?
Maybe I'm on my way or the traffic is crazy.
Right. Let's teach everyone some travel phrases. 11. I'm on my way. 12. I'll be there soon. 13. The traffic is terrible. 14. Let's take a shortcut. 15. Can we walk instead? 16. I missed the bus. 17. It's getting late. 18. I'll call you when I reach. 19. I'm almost there. 20. Wait for me.
Quick quiz. If your friend says, I missed the bus, what can you reply?
You can say, oh no, take the next one.
Great job. That's how natural conversation sounds. Time for shopping phrases, one of my favorite parts.
Same here.
Okay, Alex, what's the first thing you say in a shop?
I say, how much is this?
And if it's too expensive,
That's too expensive.
let's give our viewers more phrases. I'm just looking, thanks. Can I try it on? It fits perfectly. Do you have this in another color? Can I get a discount? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Keep the change. That's a good deal. I love this shop.
Hey, Mia, can we do a quick role play?
Sure.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's 800 rupees.
That's too expensive. Can I get a discount?
Okay, special price, 700.
Deal.
So today we learned more than 200 daily English questions and answers.
These are perfect for beginners and everyday conversations.
Practice them daily, 10 phrases in the morning, 10 in the evening.
And you'll sound more natural in just a few weeks.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Teacher.
Comment below which phrase you'll use today.
Keep learning, keep smiling.
And keep speaking English every day.